Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Ari Wallet latest updates concerning their TGE. And if you're coming across this channel, do well to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So here is our Ari Wallet, and based on some research, people are saying that what will determine your airdrop is your REG. How many REG do you have? Tell me in the comment section. Now let's look at their latest update. So coming here, yesterday they made this update yesterday. Yeah, this update was made yesterday, and they said here Ari Wallet update. Good news for the Ari Wallet community. $Ari token is expected to launch and list in late 2025 or early 2026. Late 2025, we're already on the late 2025 December or early 2026. They are still not giving a clear date for the official listing of this token. So at this stage, people are actually losing it because they are not maintaining their stand. They keep on postponing their listing from late. They said late Q3, Q4. Okay, we are in Q4. So this is the late Q4 and early 2026. Hopefully, let's just keep our finger crossed. But what do you think? What do you think? Now, they said there are $500 million Ari tokens in total. What do you think the price will be? Make $8 to $10 daily. So this one is another thing. So what do you think? They say they have 500 million as their tokenomics or their total supply. I don't know. So let's click on this. If you click on it, you can now see they say testnet Ari then is running. Wallet and Discord signups closed November 25th, and the community is waiting for mainnet and $Ari launch expected late 2025 or early 2026. Worth watching closely. We have been watching closely, and you guys has been postponing. I thought by now that Ari Wallet will list, but here we are still struggling. What do you think? Do you think we are still they are going to reward the community? Tell me your thoughts. Now, looking in the comment section, someone say I'm still buying Ari. Keep on buying now. You make fun of people and so you will lose all your society. The important thing is that the listing is not a scam. That's cool. So this is how you people will remain in confusion, because if you guys actually know what you are doing, you will not be postponing the listing of this token, a project with no clear direction, and will always be like this. At the end, it will be dust and mockery, rubbish. Tell the community a date and dates price. So people are not really happy about their postponement. They keep on postponing. No clear direction. It is so bad. I don't understand Ari anymore. Ari is this project will never launch. I bet you it will launch in Jesus' name. For how long? No roadmap, no trading on any crypto platform, nothing, and you keep lying. Well, we shall see. Exactly. Less than $1. This person is predicting the Ari token price at 0.007. Okay, so that is it. You have seen it in the comment section. People are not really happy about the way they are going. No clear direction. Nothing. We are just there postponing. So what do you think? Do you think they will still reward us, or are we really wasting our time? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.